Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the tools and creating a project. Install Xcode from the App Store, sign in with your Apple ID, and accept licenses. Then install command line tools via terminal. This enables builds and homebrew. Once done, open Xcode and choose File, New, Project. Pick the template that matches your app type. Name the project and set the bundle identifier. Make sure team and organization values are set so signing can be configured later. Now you configure the project and run a first build. You set the target, pick a team, and enable automatic signing to avoid certificate friction. You can switch to manual later. Next, design UI using Interface Builder or Swift UI Canvas. Use previews to iterate quickly. Add dependencies with Swift Package Manager in File Swift Packages, then tidy build settings like deployment target and architectures. Finally, select a simulator, press Run, and watch the logs. You complete the workflow by deploying and packaging the app. To run on a device, connect it with USB or use wireless debugging, trust the device, then select it and press Run. When ready to ship, choose Product Archive, then validate and export. Use TestFlight for beta distribution or App Store Connect for release. If something breaks, try a clean build and dependency refresh. For example, clean the build folder, reinstall pods or Swift packages, and reboot Xcode. This resolves most signing and cache issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.